बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajda Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Farhan Islamic School System. Today we will learn maths basic. In maths basic we will see subtraction of variable part 2, and we will take one example from previous work and we will follow the condition. First condition same variable, second condition same power, and we will follow the two rules too, in which we see in last video. Same sign add, different sign minus. Now I will take first of all one example. This is my question, and same variable same power. Now see, same variable, you can see y and y, and you can see 2 and 2. It means it can possible. And I tell you now, we will not touch the variable and the power. We will write down as it is. And we need to do rough work too. I said no, to have a plus, it is hidden, and I will not show it. For example, I am showing now. That's why we are doing the rough work. Look. Now, different sign minus. Okay. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Which is biggest number? 3. Here 2. 3 is the biggest number. 3 has subtract minus sign. And we will take a minus. Look. And we will come to here and write down 1 and a minus. Now, it is our answer. Now, second one. We are coming. Now, second, third, 3 x square y minus 5 y x square. Now, it is my question. Same variable and same power. Look. See the difference. There is one variable and there is two variables. Don't worry at all, we can do. Look, y and y, x and x is not here, x is here. Y and y is not here, y is here. Don't worry at all, we can do in this way too. Look, now I will write down. Look, same variable y and y, same variable y and x, and look, same power 2 and 2, and you can write x, y and y, x, but I am writing y, x, x, y. Look, I will do the rough work, and I did not tell you one thing. You know what they called? I circle it now. You know what they called? They called coefficient. They called coefficient. And now I will do the rough work. Now see, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And which is biggest coefficient? This is biggest coefficient. Coefficient has minus, and we will take minus. And again we will come to here and write down minus and 2. Means it is our answer. You see the different, okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.